Meet systemd-tmpfiles, your system's tireless librarian for volatile data. It sweeps, sorts, and shelves the temporary files and directories that your operating system and applications constantly create. Systemd-tmpfiles is a systemd service that creates, removes, and cleans up temporary files and directories at boot, and runs periodically to sweep stale data away. It replaces the old cron scripts and boot time shell hacks with a single, declarative system that boots faster and behaves predictably. Configuration lives in 3 directories, stacked by priority. At the bottom, /usr/lib/tmpfiles.d/ holds vendor defaults like systemd.conf. In the middle, /run/tmpfiles.d/ stores runtime tweaks that vanish on reboot. At the top, /etc/tmpfiles.d/ holds your admin overrides, and any file here beats the one with the same name in /usr/lib. Each line in a config file has 7 columns. Type, path, mode, user, group, age, and argument. Type tells tmpfiles what action to take. Path is the target, mode sets permissions, user and group assign ownership, age controls cleanup timing, and argument handles type-specific extras. The type column is where the real power lives. D creates a directory if missing. D creates a directory and cleans stale files inside it. X whitelists a path to be ignored during cleanup. R removes a file or empty directory. R removes recursively. F creates a file, and F creates a file and truncates it to 0 bytes if it exists. The age field uses simple suffixes, 10s for 10 seconds during testing, 5 minutes for 5 minutes, 8h for 8 hours, 1d for 1 day, and 2w for 2 weeks. Age only applies to cleanup types like D, R, and R. A clever trick. The whitelist type X combined with an age like 30d means ignore this path only if it is older than 30 days, letting you protect recent files while cleaning ancient ones. Welcome to a hands-on demonstration of systemd-tmpfiles, the utility that manages volatile and temporary files during boot and shutdown. We'll inspect the default configuration that ships with the system, then create our own custom cleanup whitelist rule, and finally verify that the rule behaves exactly as expected. We begin with clear to give ourselves a clean workspace. It's a good habit before recording or documenting terminal output, ensuring the only content on screen is what we intentionally run. This command dumps the first 20 lines of the default tmpfiles configuration that ships with the system. You can see the standard rules, D for directories, D for subdirectories, and the various age-based cleanup parameters like R for remove and R for recursive remove with age thresholds. The /etc/tmpfiles.d directory is where administrators drop custom configuration snippets that override or extend the defaults. On a fresh system, this folder is typically empty, which means whatever rules exist are coming straight from /usr/lib/tmpfiles.d. Systemd-tmpfiles. Cat-config is the canonical way to see the merged, resolved configuration from all sources combined, both /usr/lib and /etc. The output shows the effective rule set the system actually uses, and you can see our demo.conf is not yet listed because we haven't created it. Now we create our custom whitelist rule. The X type means ignore the path during cleanup. Files matching /tmp/democache-* will be completely exempt from any age-based removal. We redirect this single line into /etc/tmpfiles.d/demo.conf, which is automatically picked up by systemd-tmpfiles without needing any reload. Next we create a test file matching our whitelist pattern. The touch command creates an empty file called democache-test in /tmp. Note this name matches the democache-* glob, so the file should be protected from cleanup despite its age. Finally, we run systemd-tmpfiles, clean demo.conf to invoke the cleanup path scope to our rule. The command exits silently with no error output, and our test file remains on disk, exactly the behavior we wanted. To prove the whitelist actually works, you would now delete this rule and rerun. Clean to confirm the file gets removed, demonstrating the difference the X directive makes.